Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here with 911 Studios, and today I just want to give out a big shout out to LectroFan. You guys, if you are looking for a white noise box, this is the one. It's amazing. It has so many different types of fan noises and also types of white noises. I didn't even know there was more than one, but you'll be able to notice the subtle differences. They've got like white noise, pink noise, brown noise, I think even like a champagne pink noise. So it's really fun. And you'll find the one that you like best. These are really cool because they are non-repetitive, so you won't have any like weird disruption. These are all going to be really unique. I love that it has either an AC or a USB adapter, so it's really convenient to plug in whatever situation you have going on, and it looks great on your nightstand. It's good for small spaces. I actually found this because I always used to sleep with a fan at night, and I realized after a while having all the cold air in the room was drying my throat out, drying my sinuses out, even drying my skin out, and I needed to switch, but like not having the fan, I couldn't sleep. I needed that noise, you know, the fan noise. So that's when I looked for a white noise box, and I really like this one. It has a sleep timer. Again, it has a bunch of different options. So this is just gonna be great for you, whatever your situation is, for you, for your little ones. This is a really good solution. Oh, hey, there's my cat. Yeah, you guys, check this out. It's a great option. It's got a ton of good reviews, so you don't just have to take my word for it. Go ahead and put it in your cart. You will be really happy you did.